Hey there fellow cars lover, welcome back to our channel where we take automotive adventure to a whole new level. Today we are diving into the world of shiny surface and brilliant finish. Buckle up because we are about to put Soft99 Polish and Clear to the ultimate test. Will it make your ride sparkle like a disco ball or leave you feeling like you have waxed poetic for nothing? Get ready to witness some serious shine and join me on this hilarious journey of buffing, polishing, and maybe a few unexpected surprises along the way.
Due to daily use, it can't avoidable that we can have some minor scratches on our car like this one. So let us test now, see whether we can remove these scratches or not. Ta-da! So this is the second scenario, the stubborn dirt. See? Anyhow it cannot come out. So let's see it can work on this type of stubborn dirt or not. Well, it do works. Shiny, shining, yay! No.
And there you have it, folks. After a wild ride with Soft99 Polish and Cleaner, it is time for the grand finale. This product definitely lives up to its reputation when it comes to restoring the shine and luster of your cars. Say hello to a showroom worth finish. However, like any good magician, Soft99 can't perform miracle on serious scratches or deep imperfections. So, if your car has been through some intense adventure and wear its battle scar proudly, it might need a little extra love and attention. Remember, prevention is the key, so regularly maintenance and treating your car with tender care will ensure Soft99 work its magic to the fullest. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey, and until our next automotive adventure, keep shining bright and keep those wheels tuning. Stay fabulous, my fellow car lover.